You can use Microsoft Planner to plan an event, for example, to track a product launch. Use buckets to sort tasks by type, like event planning, marketing and ad collateral, and PR. As your project grows, you can add more types. Select Add New Bucket and type a new task category, like food planning. To add tasks to this new bucket, select the plus sign, type a name, and then select Add Task. Use labels to see which tasks need your attention, like red for blocked, orange for at risk, and green for on track. Select a colored box to remove or add a label. You can add a comment to discuss a task with the people it's assigned to. Type in the comments box and select Send. To see which task is due next, select Charts and then select Group by Due Date. The top task is due the soonest. Charts view also shows task progress for each team member and for the overall project. You can also sort tasks by progress in Board view. Select Board and then select Group by Progress. Tasks are organized by Not Started, In Progress, and Completed, so you'll know when you're ready to launch your product.